What's going on? Welcome to another edition of Oil and Gears. Today's going to be a small project, but a big enhancement for your Scion XB. I'm going to show you guys how to put USB ports in your Scion. This actually goes underneath the center waterfall. So I'm going to show you guys how to wire it, how to add it, and do that little enhancement to your XB. Let's get to it. So these are pretty straightforward USB ports. I wanted to have them just so I can charge my phone. I wired these to the accessory, so whenever I turn the car on, this will turn on. Some people like it to where it'll be on all the time, so you could actually charge anything when the car does not have the key in it. But for the purposes of today, we are going to wire this to the accessories so that whenever I turn my car on, this will turn on. So these ports come with a ring in the back so that you can tighten it to wherever you're going to install it. We're going to take this off just like that, and we're going to use this as a template to drill the hole wherever you have it. So I have this was actually underneath the ashtray where the cup holders are, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually put it closer to the middle here. I got another one of these. As you can see, I scratched it when I first did it, so that kind of bothers me. So we're going to redo that here. So to take this off, you're just going to want to pull here on the sides and then bring it up like that, and it comes out pretty easy on your car. So there's a piece of padding here on the back. You're going to want to take this off. You no longer will need this. And now what we're going to do is we're going to trace in here, and then we're going to cut it out. So this is the new piece, this is the old piece. As you can see, it's a little more up at the top. So what we're gonna do is now we're gonna add the USB ports. It's fairly easy. I want to make sure that the letters that are on here are facing normal, so it's not upside down. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna easily just slide it in, just like that. Go. And that's the USB port right there. That's what it looks like in the back. So now you're going to take that ring and you're just going to screw it in just like that. So here on the back is plus and minus, so ground and power. So now we'll wire this up. So now what you're going to want to do is get one of these tap fuses. It's really easy. They're pretty simple. This one on the accessories is a 15, and you'll just add another 15 fuse on there. And what we'll do is get some wire for each of the power and the ground. That. You'll grab this side, you'll add it in here just like that, and then you'll crimp it. So once you crimp the wire, you're gonna want to connect this to the accessories fuse. and this will go underneath your steering wheel. You'll hide it underneath, and then to this part, to the back of the USB ports here. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to cut the end off of the power, and then you're going to want to add one of these here to the end, just like that. Crimp it, and then on the power here, the plus, you'll add it just like that. So with the ground wire, it's basically the same thing. You'll put it on the end of here, you'll crimp it, add it to the back minus, and then you'll find a ground bolt around that area, usually where the shifter is, and you can ground it there and you'll be done. So I'll show you on the car what it looks like. So what you're going to want to do is you want to get that tap fuse, and it's going to go into the accessory. So it's going to be this one right here, the second to the bottom. And then you're going to want to run your wire to the back underneath the steering wheel. Now that we have our tap fuse connected to the accessories, we're going to want to add these to the back of the USB port. So what you'll do is you'll grab this here, you'll add the negative ground, then you'll add the positive, just like that. Alright, so now that you have it tapped into the accessory and you have it ground, you've created the hole into the bottom plastic here. Now we'll just turn the car on to the accessory and you'll see the phone start to charge. There you go. Well, there you have it, USB ports in the first gen Scion XB. Again, I want to thank all my subscribers and anybody who's watching these videos. You can follow me on Instagram at Oil and Gears. Like, comment, subscribe, tell your friends. We'll see you on the flip side. Peace!